Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how can we freeze columns and rows in your Google Sheet. And I will also explain the shortcut to freeze rows and columns at the end of the video. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So I have a very simple example with the three columns, this numbers, product, and the city. If I want to freeze this top row, which is the heading row, so I will just click anywhere within my data and then go to View tab, click this one, then you can see the freeze option. It's showing me the multiple options. It's showing no rows means no row will be frozen. First row, two rows, or up to five rows. Or I can freeze top row, first two rows, or first five rows. So if I choose this one, first row, it will freeze my very first row. If I scroll down, and then you can see this row has been frozen. To unfreeze any row, so I will go to view, then freeze and select no rows. So my row has been unfrozen now. So next one is the freeze column. So how can I freeze any column? If I want to freeze this first column, I will go to view and then freeze, and you can see here there's options one column, two columns, up to column B. So if I want to freeze the first column, I click this one. You can see this column has been frozen. If I scroll towards the right hand side, you can see so it's showing the border around this column, and this has been frozen. To unfreeze this, again go to view, freeze, and no columns. It will unfreeze this column for me. Now the shortcut. What is the shortcut to freeze row or column? The shortcut to freeze row is Alt V R, and now I can choose option one row, two row, up to four row. So for example, one row, enter, it will freeze my top row. I can scroll down and see it has been frozen. To unfreeze this, again, Alt V R and first option, no rows, enter, it will unfreeze row for me. To freeze the column, again, shortcut key is Alt V R and one column, enter. So it will freeze my column A. To unfreeze this, again, shortcut key is same, Alt V R and no columns. So it will unfreeze my first column. So this is how you can freeze your rows, your columns, unfreeze your rows, your columns with the help of shortcut key and without shortcut key. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.